one is this? I can't get an option. I knew I could. This would be, if I were to do it. Hey, next time, not a rush, but the next time you get a 5400, 15500, full body, or 400, I would be a rush. I actually like it. I wore a rainbow to the gym. Okay.
That's my update. My board. When I put the battery in it, I'll give you an update on it. So I tried to skin it. I failed. And then I built the enclosure, which I failed. And what I mean by failed is it's not clean looking. It's rough around the edges. Looks nice. Nice and hard. So, anyways, I'm gonna be using Bornamics parts. I'll show you them before I install them, and I don't think I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna install it. I'm just gonna show you how it's done. So, yeah, this is an update. I've been busy and stuff. So yeah, you have a good one. And if you have a DIY board, post it. Inspire someone.